I just tried this turmeric drink and lost over 20 pounds in just a few weeks. Seriously, it's crazy. I had never been able to lose weight before. I tried diets and exercise, but nothing worked as fast as this. And the best part about this drink is that it's all natural and way safer than anything else out there. So, if you've tried everything to lose weight and still haven't succeeded, trust me, with this new turmeric method, you'll finally be able to shed those extra pounds for good. I'll leave the link to the official recipe in the first comment. Click it and check out the step-by-step process.